Hello bachcho. Let's see the question. So the question says in gel electrophoresis, at which end of the gel the sample is loaded. So the options are first in the wells, second towards positive electrode, third towards negative electrode and fourth 1 and 3 both. So हमें इन चार options में से correct option को identify करना है. So the key concept in this question is to first understand what is gel electrophoresis. So this is an easy question. Let's begin by understanding the key concept. So gel electrophoresis एक ऐसा टेक्निक है जिससे we can separate DNA. So basically gel electrophoresis is used for the separation of DNA fragments. Now it is based upon the principle of the size or charge of the DNA. So जो DNA separate हो रहा है that depends upon the size of the DNA fragment or the charge present in the DNA fragment. अब ये जो gel जो हम use करते हैं in gel electrophoresis, so the gel matrix that we use have certain pores present in it. So we can say the larger DNA fragments. So the DNA fragments which are larger in size will travel least through the gel because उनको pores के through से पार होने में ज़्यादा time लगेगा rather than the smaller fragments. So the smaller fragments will travel the most through the gel matrix. So the larger fragments of the DNA will be found at the top of the matrix. On the other hand, the smaller DNA fragments will be found at the bottom of the gel matrix. अब हम इसे इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस क्यों बोल रहे हैं? क्योंकि ये जो टेक्निक जो हम यूज करते हैं फॉर द सेपरेशन ऑफ डीएनए दैट टेक्स प्लेस ड्यू टू द फ्लो ऑफ करंट थ्रू द gel. So there is a current which flows through the gel which allows or which makes the passage of the DNA or attracts the passage of the DNA through the gel. अब अगर हम जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस का एक बेसिक डायग्राम देखें, so this is the gel matrix in the gel electrophoresis. And these are the wells. So these are the wells in which the sample, that is the DNA sample, is loaded. Then this end, so the end where the wells are present, that end of the gel is connected to the cathode, and the other end present, which is opposite to the wells, is the anode. So if the cathode is present at the well side, then that means that this is the negative end of the gel, and since the anode is at the opposite side, therefore this is the positive end of the gel. Now we know that DNA is negatively charged. Therefore the DNA sample will move towards the anode. So it will move towards the anode from the wells. अब हमने क्या किया कि DNA को well में लोड कर दिया. अब since करंट जो पास होगा वो कैथोड से एनोड की तरफ पास होगा, तो उस वजह से ये जो डीएनए है वो एनोड की तरफ मूव करेगा क्योंकि डीएनए इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड. अब हमने कहा कि जो लार्जर डीएनए फ्रैगमेंट है वो कम ट्रैवल करेगा, therefore the larger DNA fragments will be found at the top of the gel. On the other hand, the smaller DNA fragments will be found at the bottom of the gel. So ये है एक बेसिक जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस का डायग्राम. and the principle on which the DNA is separated using gel electrophoresis. So now if we see the options, then the question was asking that at which end of the gel the sample is loaded. तो हमने देखा कि sample is loaded in the wells. So the first option is correct. Then the second option is towards the positive electrode. So positive electrode मतलब the anode. और हमने देखा कि DNA sample is loaded at the cathode rather than the anode. That is, it is loaded in the negative electrode rather than the positive electrode. So therefore, ये incorrect है. The third option says towards the negative electrode. तो हमने देखा कि जहां पे हमने DNA को load किया, that is in the wells, that was towards the negative electrode, that is the cathode. So therefore, this statement is also correct. So since 1 and 3 both are correct, therefore the final answer for this question will be on option number 4. That is 1 and 3 both. So our final answer for this question is option number 4. That is 1 and 3 both. So ये हमारा final answer. Hope you understood this well. Best of luck. Thank you.